all, welcome to yet another episode of Sajas Designer Boutique. We are located in Mogaisina 4, opposite to Dunes Hotel Apartment. Our contact number is 0527367418 and our landline number is 0428344040. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon so that you will be getting all our offers and all our notifications related to Sajas. So today let's start with semi-party wear collections of gowns. The gown which I'm wearing, the first one is the gown which I'm wearing is a lavender shade. Lavender shade, there is a work on the yoke portion and it comes along with the dupatta, and there is a stone spread on one side of this dupatta, and it is having a 3/4 sleeves, and on the sleeves also there is a small border with small, you can see that if you see a closer view, like you can see a small flowers on the border of this gown, and it's a long gown. So we have two more shades in the same gown. It's really very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. It's not like the heavy gowns which we are having. And moving on to our first gown, it is a light peaches shade. This is a peaches shade. There is a stone spread on the yoke portion. You can see in the neckline there is a stone spread, and it comes with a dupatta. On the dupatta also there is a stone spread. If you'll see the sleeves, it's a very simple and elegant gown which is in umbrella cut, and there is work only in the yoke portion. One more shade in the same gown, which is a grey shade, which is having a work again on the yoke portion, and on the yoke there are small flowers you can see. In the sleeve also there is work, and it comes with a dupatta. For booking these items you can just send us a screenshot to our WhatsApp number. We have cash on delivery facility available. We have different sizes available of these gowns, and this is the third gown. So total we have 3 colors of the same design. The one is the peachish pink, and the next one is a grey, and the other one is a lavender shade, the one which I am wearing. So these are the 3 shades of the same design. Next we have one more gown which is of a apple green, and in the neck portion you can see like a antique gold kardana work and a stone spread on the neck portion, and it is having in the yoke also there is a small pearl spread all over the yoke portion and a kardana work in the yoke portion. There is same work in the sleeves of this gown, and in the flare you can see a very beautiful design which is same with the pearl spread and a kardana, antique kardana work spread all over the flare. So this is actually a very beautiful apple green, and it comes along with the dupatta. So if you would like to book any of this item, you can send us a screenshot to our WhatsApp number which is showed below. And we have one more gown in the same design, but there is a slight variation in that gown. So that is of a peachish pink, which is having again a small spread work in the yoke portion, since there is a floral design which is having more pearls here. So that is the difference between these two gowns. So here there is more of pearl in a floral design, and which is having again an antique kardana work and small stone spread. Then again the same work is in the sleeves. You can see there is a floral work on the sleeves of this and kardana work. Actually it's a very lightweight gown, and there is also in the neck portion also there is work, and you can see in the flare there is a bit more, the flare is a bit more heavier, It is having the work is a bit more heavier with the floral design, the pearl, the stone spread, the kardana work, everything. Even though there is this work, the gown is not at all a heavy one, which you can wear it very simple and elegant one. We do have matching accessories also for all this beautiful gowns. So it also comes with a dupatta, and you can see in the neckline it is a very beautiful work done in the neckline with this rainbow kardanas, rainbow small beads, and this peachish pink pearl neck work. So I think like for this it is only required like you have to wear a very heavy earring with this. So this is the last turn of this episode.